with prayers, flowers and flags draped in black ribbons. Japan on Tuesday said farewell to Shinzo Abe, a polarizing figure who dominated politics as the country's longest-serving premier, before being gunned down at a campaign rally last week. Crowds packed pavements lined with a heavy police presence as the hearse carrying Abe departed from a central Tokyo temple in early afternoon. People shouted, clapped and waved as it passed, with some holding flowers. His killing on Friday by an unemployed man wielding a homemade gun stunned a nation where both gun crime and political violence are extremely rare. He first entered as a young lawmaker in 1993, after the death of his politician father, and the office from which he led the nation in 2 stints as prime minister, the longer from 2012 to 2020. From early morning, long lines of people dressed in black, mixed with others in informal clothing with backpacks, formed outside the temple.